There's a new wave of AI tools reshaping creativity, and one that's gaining serious attention is Venice AI. Unlike typical generators, Venice AI blends artistic detail with user control, allowing you to create lifelike images, art, and stories that feel personal and professional. It doesn't just generate content. It collaborates with you, learning from your prompts and adjustments to produce exactly what you imagine. So, in order to use Venice AI effectively, you have to follow these steps. First, go to the Venice AI website and sign up for a free account. Once inside, you'll find a clean, modern interface where you can create anything from realistic portraits to cinematic scenes. Simply describe what you want. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. Venice AI's strength lies in its advanced diffusion model that captures lighting, depth, and texture with incredible precision. It also has a refine option, allowing you to tweak or reimagine an image without starting over. If you don't like one detail, you can modify it directly, and Venice will learn from your edits to deliver better outcomes next time. Besides image generation, Venice is expanding into text-to-video and voice tools, aiming to become a complete creative studio powered by AI. For artists, marketers, and content creators, it saves time while keeping quality high. The app's biggest advantage is how natural its outputs look. Whether it's human skin, lighting, or background details, the realism stands out. Of course, no tool is perfect. Venice AI's pros include speed, simplicity, and high-quality results. It's especially good for brainstorming ideas or visualizing concepts. However, free credits are limited, and the rendering can take a bit longer during peak times. Some abstract prompts might need a few refinements before achieving the perfect output, but the built-in editing options make that easy to handle. When it comes to pricing, Venice AI uses a freemium model. You can try it for free with a limited number of generations, then upgrade to a paid plan for faster rendering, higher resolution, and access to new features. The cost is reasonable for what it offers, especially for professionals who rely on consistent quality. In the end, Venice AI isn't just another art generator. It's a creative partner. Whether you're crafting visuals, experimenting with concepts, or designing digital art, Venice gives you the power to turn imagination into reality with ease and precision. And that's it.